What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Everybody doing well? Hopefully y'all enjoying your Saturday. So we got our addicted online shopper inside the car. And you got me driving the roller. We're going to pick up something very, very unique. Something cool we're gonna do. I don't quote me on this, but I actually think on the internet, on YouTube, there is no valuable source that has done what I'm going to be attempting to do.
You say that all the time.
Ouch!
You're always like, no one has ever done it. No, you're always like, no one in the whole world has ever done it.
Okay, well, the online shopper decided to join.
I have the best car in San Diego. No one else has a faster car. Remember that one
I never said that.
You said that.
You're supposed to support me, not talk shit on me. We're driving to Orange, California right now. We got like an hour mob. We're gonna meet this dude. This dude drove 9 hours to come drop.
Just for you.
Just for me, yes. No, he came to buy something, but I keep saying he drove 9 hours for me. Anyway, see y'all there. We just need to open it. Alright, well, we made it here at Motorsport Auto. What's up, man? What's up, guys? I just want to interrupt today's video with a small message. I have officially dropped my first ever merch for the channel. Made some small jet tags, better known as keychains. Up front, we got the Trigga classic logo, and on the back, we got Keep Savings, because that's what we're all about. Everybody on Instagram that supported me with the pre-orders a few weeks back, by the time you're seeing this video, you guys should be receiving your packages or in the next couple of days. So for everybody that didn't see the pre-order or you missed your chance to get yourself one of these, you can find all the information down below in my description in the merch area. You could use one of those links. It's only $5, free shipping to your door, and all the money from this, guys, is going into the Z. We have something special, as you guys are gonna see in this video. All the money made from this is going to that. And now let's get back to the video. Well, we got the package. It is very, very nice. What do you think, baby? You like it?
Yeah.
So yeah, as you guys see, the transmission, we got the shifter, everything is good. A couple of things are a little bit dirty, you know, but everything looks good. Everything is solid on this, so I'm fucking stoked about that. All right, we got to where we wanted to be. We got what we needed. The seller was super cool. For privacy reasons, I'm not gonna show that part, but anyways, we got what we needed. It's wrapped up back there.
New exhaust.
And like a burrito. New exhaust. You got anything else to say before we...
No, baby, let's go. I'm hungry. Cute. What's up, guys? Alright, sorry, I got a little carried away cleaning the driveway with the pressure washer, but we got the transmission right here. So this is the CD8, which comes in the Nissan 370Zs with the rev match. So we're gonna be able to rev match our gears. You guys remember how dirty it was inside of here? Went ahead and cleaned it up as much as I could, but I'll probably be replacing this, everything with new stuff. But yeah, this transmission, I got this whole setup for 750 bucks, guys. You really can't beat that price for a rev match with roughly about 50,000 miles on it. Is unheard of for that price. I'm gonna be doing the 370Z auto to manual transmission swap, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step and part by part. But first thing, we needed this. Next, we need to buy the drive shaft. We need to buy the wiring harness. So this has a harness that came with it. Obviously it's been chopped, but we need to get just the transmission harness from my understanding. That way we can swap out the auto one for the manual one, and clutch pedal and clutch reservoir and slave. So I'm gonna order all that stuff, and like I said, all the merch money is going towards this swap and what we're going to be doing. But thank you again for the support. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you everybody who bought the merch. If you haven't already, all the links are down below. Go ahead and buy yourself one. Limited time. I will never make this design again. It was my first merch drop ever. It's going to be iconic in the future if you have it. Anyways guys, thank you for tuning in. See you guys next week. Hope you guys enjoyed it.